Welcome to the channel Easy Trick for Computer Science students as well as those students who are interested to fetch the knowledge under computer science field, and that tutorial is related to the keyboard. The keyboard is one of the oldest input device used with every computer, and it is still the most common device that is attached to almost every computer. The main use of a keyboard is to supply text and numeric input to the computer, and it contains many keys, each of which represents a character, symbol or a number. And when user presses the keys, the corresponding character appears on the screen. And the 104 or 108 keys keyboard is very common with the desktop computers, and in the modern era, computers are equipped with the multimedia keyboard that contains extra keys and buttons for browsing, email, volume control, playing CD or DVDs, etc. As well as the wireless versions of the keyboard is also available in the market. Major categories under the keyboard are 4 keys, that are the numeric keys, function keys, cursor control keys, and the typewriter keys. Typewriter keys is also known as the alphanumeric keys or character keys. The first key shown under the keyboard, that is the top row of the keyboard, contains function keys. There are 12 function keys is a normal keyboard. The function associated with the key differs from software to software. And another category of the keyboard is the typewriter keys, is also known as alphanumeric keys as well as the character keys, and those keys are mainly used to enter characters. These keys includes for characters A to Z, 0 to 9, and shift key, enter key, and some other keys, and these are the mostly used keys of the keyboard. And the next category of the keyboard keys are the special keys, and the special keys are used to perform special functions like cursor control, deletion, or moving a page full of information up or down. And some keys in these categories are home key, end key, insert key, delete key, control key, and alt key. These keys are used to create combination for shortcut keys of commands. And another part of the keyboard is the numeric keys. These are very used to input numeric information. A numeric keypad is generally located at the rightmost area of the keyboard. The numeric keys are also present in the second row of the keys in most of the keyboards. So this is the review of the keyboard, and this is the first part of the keyboard series. So students, in the next series I will discuss with you the function of the function keys, each and every keys from F1 to F12. And in the next series, in all keyboard series, I will elaborate all the keyboard functions with detailed explanation. Hope so that series will help you in the exams also, as well as in the practical exams also. Thanks for watching and stay tuned with this channel. So I will upload the next series by tomorrow till 5 p.m. Thank you students. Stay safe and stay blessed.